ngisaphokophe sazobakokote vele ngisaphokophe awuthini baphefome Spilly
Ngena mahuzla Dala sikhuzuka sifuna lezuka mfana silala ngemula bathi izighost yachaba indaba siyazinqumla ezizingcuke ezombethe ifelele kusha thi sleeping on me hayi vele usaphupha ntwana ngovuka and engathi uyafruha the level is too high ngathi besityela umya mina ngibamba inkunzi lazalo ngiyikhulukruga gabula sibuda mabuda dubula ngishute ngiphula ama-uzla the hoodlam dudula ngikhuze pull up ehoodlam asibuzwa sikhutuza rhute kwesikhala siyakususa sikhutela ubuhunta I'm super zange ndaluza few talking weight then I might have gained a few pounds dala ngivuta chana mam too hot bakhala ngesigubhu sami twantwana is a tutor
buzwa vele ngisaphokophe